On June 13, 1966, the U.S. Supreme Court issues its landmark decision in Miranda versus Arizona. The 6-3 ruling establishes the principle that all criminal suspects must be informed of their rights before interrogation. In order to comply with the ruling, police officers begin carrying around cards so they can read suspects their Miranda rights at the time of arrest. Ernesto Miranda, who brought the suit, was convicted of kidnapping, rape, and robbery based in part on a confession during interrogation by Phoenix police. The Supreme Court decision invalidates his conviction. He is retried and found guilty without the confession in 1967. He is paroled in 1972. After his release, he starts selling autographed Miranda cards, charging $1.50 each. In 1976, Miranda gets in an argument in a bar in Phoenix. A man stabs him and kills him. Ironically, the man suspected of handing the knife to the killer is arrested and read his Miranda rights. The murder suspect flees to Mexico and has never been apprehended. Here are other events that happened today in history. In 323 BC, Alexander the Great dies in Babylon at age 32 after suffering from a 2-week illness. In 1381, during England's Peasants' Revolt, Wat Tyler leads a mob from Canterbury to London. In 1777, the Marquis de Lafayette arrives in America with the intent to serve in Washington's army. In 1805, after a year, the Lewis and Clark expedition arrives at the Great Falls of the Missouri River. In 1944, 1 week after D-Day, Nazi Germany launches its first V-1 rocket attack against London. In 1967, President Lyndon Johnson appoints Thurgood Marshall to the U.S. Supreme Court. In 2021, Naftali Bennett becomes Prime Minister of Israel, ending Benjamin Netanyahu's 12-year run. And now it's time for our Today in History quiz. When did Flag Day become a U.S. national holiday? 1919, 1929, 1939, or 1949? Think you know the answer? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Find out if you're right next time on Today in History. You made it through Today in History. Nice work. Now treat yourself. Click the video on the right for what happened yesterday in history. Still can't get enough? The link on the left's got the whole playlist buffet. Want to make history a daily habit? Click my face in the middle to subscribe.